Okay. Shh, shh. You think they have built up chemistry? I need to go and get my clothes.